Welcome to the Trendy Outdoorsman, to the third and final video in our 60-year-old house that we're modernizing. If you guys missed the first two videos, they're linked below. Otherwise, enjoy. This is what we did. I'm gonna go through a quick detail of everything. So we obviously gutted the house. I'm gonna show pictures for before and after while I'm talking about what we did and why we did what we did. We did the floors throughout. We used a laminate over here fireplace. So basically one of my neat little modern ways of modernizing a fireplace. The back three pieces are made out of concrete. They do pop right out. We used grill paint, which is a chrome grill paint, and then we used the stones that people use in like outdoor fire pits instead of the logs. So it's kind of a little more modern look. Then I used this kind of hexagon modern backsplash around the fireplace on both sides, and then elevated the base tile so it's kind of more bold. Here we did one of these smart thermostats. So we always make a home smart, add some fun smart features because they're just great to have for today's day and age. People love them. As far as the trim is concerned, so we usually do a bigger trim. Areas you spend the most time of the house. So we did this, this is 4 1/4, and we did it all downstairs. This is the dining room, had these kind of stained glass windows on that and on the door over here. We just left them, they add a little character to the house. And then we did these really modern lights. So we did this modern light in here. We did this kind of a matching modern light over here. Moving on, so the kitchen we gutted. I'll put a picture up here to show you. We basically gutted the bottom cabinets, and I repurposed the bottom cabinets for the basement because there's a laundry area there, so I repurposed them. And then did a custom countertop, and I actually extended the countertop beyond what it was to give it this bar and to add these chairs. And then backsplash, the same that we had on the fireplace that we did on the kitchen. So we did it all the way around above the stove, and we actually matched it over here with the matching countertop. So, and then did all the handles. These are kind of a more modern, we got new appliances all the way around. We do a couple of these in every house. USB outlets, those are very handy to have, especially to quickly charge your phone. Might as well move into the garage. The garage was not finished. We actually finished the garage. So scraped the floor, did this epoxy floor kit, and I bought this trim on clearance at Menards. We actually finished the garage walls. They did not have drywall in here, so I did all the walls. I went through and did Spanish lace for them, and then also sprayed them all white and kept some storage there. I think it's nice to kind of leave that. Since it was there, it worked. Why not leave it? Storage closet. It actually has quite a few storage closets in this house. We basically just painted them white to give them a bigger appearance. This is technically a bedroom, but we left, it could be an office. We left the bookshelf. That was really nice, just painted it. And then obviously we did all the lights. We literally trimmed all the windows in the house. There's quite a few to do. We did all new chrome knobs. I actually bought these from a Facebook marketplace, $2 each. So really good deal. Faucet, Costco. Some of those are either Home Depot or Costco. Those are pretty good price. A couple $100 come with the countertop, marble countertop, so it's really nice. And I did this backsplash behind it. So we did this 12 by 24 real white. We used a lot of light colors in the house just to give the house a bigger appearance. And new toilets, everyone loves new toilets. Why use somebody else's poopy toilets when you move in? Bar instead of the glass sliding doors, and I did this Subway style backsplash on the shower. I did both of the showers upstairs and downstairs, and everybody loves this and loves the look of it. The shower head I got on Amazon. This is a really contemporary style shower head. It does a really good job. So this is the master, and the lights are Facebook Marketplace for both of these rooms down here. Windows framed, 2 closets. Really nice setup. Get down in the basement. So obviously we carpeted the stairs going down. These really cool sconces here on both sides. And then I drywalled this way down because it was not drywall, it was paneling. And then there was an office that was a really small office over here. I just completely gutted, removed the office, and opened up this entire area, adding this little area here as well. I used a sprayer to spray all this. That was a lot of paint. Had some floor left over and did a little storage area here with the same floor. This is kind of a unique area. So this is a electric fireplace that they had here. We decided to leave it because behind it is a storage. This is where the old well used to be, and water and everything. It's all still some old connections there, but you can store a lot of stuff in there. There's a whole another large area with a bench. I got really lucky here because when I was doing the floor, I was flowing the floor and I was hoping I didn't have to have a transition piece because this area, it goes all the way around, and it's hard to go one way and the other way and meet in the middle with the exact fit of the floor. Here I finished the wall, so this was kind of all unfinished and painted everything gray. They installed the furnace water heater, but they had the boiler tank over here, the old heating tank, and this is the old kitchen cabinets. And all I did is I chopped a whole section of them off, put the end on from the old ones, basically refinished them, repainted them, and put a countertop on. Utility sink, plumbed it, and just tapped it into the water line for the washer and dryer. Worked when we bought the house. I cleaned them up, cleaned out the dryer vent and replaced the dryer vent, and basically just left them. They work. And I left that to show that I replaced the filter, that it's really nice, new one. Moving on to the upstairs. So we did the carpet, same carpet that goes down in the basement upstairs. I did these awesome little transition pieces on both sides, and this had a lot of wallpaper and holes to fill, so we had to skim a lot of the house. A lot of skimming. Okay, so upstairs it's 2 bedrooms, very large closets. We did the same floor throughout. Same thing with this one. It's like a Cape Cod style. Kind of nice. Now this light, other LED, it's really nice. And it's really flat because the ceilings in this room, I'm guessing, are 8 feet tall instead of 9 or 10, so did a really flat light. Bathroom, same tiles downstairs. We painted the vanity, we left the marble countertop, it was in really good shape, and did a mirror with the backsplash and a new light. And new toilet, of course, same tile as downstairs, same shower head. Outside, painted the concrete. I also retrimmed the top, and some areas needed new wood. Painted all of the brickwork gray, and the house repainted it white. And planted some flowers there. Okay, so around, painted the whole house. The shed needed new siding and roofing, so we had to re-roof the shed, and it turned out really nice. We kind of removed a lot of landscape here, some pavers. And on the back area, got this area, we re-netted it, and I actually netted it all the way up and over the top. Repainted everything. It's a little dirty right now because it rained a couple days ago when I was here. And then painted all this. The home is finished. Great success. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. We're working on other homes and other series. We're working on Tesla series, so stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys soon.